Okay, it is morning, Thursday morning. It's about a quarter after 10. I well, I really didn't sleep in, but I just stayed in bed until it warmed up more because I forgot my hoodie at home, and I have no sweatshirt or no long sleeves at all, no jacket. Forgot that at home, so that's why I kind of stayed in the van a little bit longer waited for it to warm up a little bit more. But it's a beautiful morning. Look, the sun's up, blue sky. Oh wow! And right now, the temperature is really comfortable. It's supposed to get up into the 80s today, and by the forecast, it looks like today is going to be the last day it's in the 80s. So okay, I'm going to take and have some breakfast and get ready to go out and explore Maplewood State Park. So, all right, talk to you later. Okay, it's 11 o'clock and I'm all dressed and ready. Got the van started. I'm about to leave the campsite, head out over to the first trail I'm going to be doing today. So, all right, I'm going to head over this first trail and we'll see you there. All right, just got parked. Heading over to across the road here. The campground I just came from is down that way. Just came from that direction. And here's a little map here. Okay, let's find exactly where I was at. Okay, no loop. Yeah, we came over here. Yeah, drove here. Where am I at now? Oh, here. You are here. Yeah. I came over here, drove over here. Okay, you are here. And this is the Woodland Trail, a 0.7 mile loop. Okay, I'm going to be switching the camera over to the GoPro and start on the trail. Oh, beautiful color up there. Oh, wow. I've been on this trail before, and I think if I have to choose my favorite trail at Maplewood State Park, I'm gonna have to say it would have to be this one. Oh wow, look up above. Peek through the canopy there. Oh wow, beautiful color. Oh, oh, straight up. Gosh. Beautiful. Oh, we got a tree down right right across the trail here. Step over it. Well, that went down not too long ago. Huh, that's really recent, looks like. If you look at the one that bent over here, the leaves are really still green. Oh, wow. Beautiful red. Got the yellow over there, red and orange. Oh. Wow. Yeah, I'm now at the very far end of the trail, all the way in. In this direction, I can through the trees. I think there's kind of like a body of water there, a slough or a pond or something. Looks like. I can't tell for sure. And I circled back, heading back towards the beginning of the trail now. Beautiful. You see the road over there. There's the beginning of the trail right up here. Okay. All right, I'm back in the van. That's the trail over there. Just got back from. And I think the next trail I'm going to do is Holloway Hill. I'm going to head over to there and take a hike up Holloway Hill, and then come back down, and then probably have my picnic right there too, because they have picnic tables and stuff there. So, okay, heading over to Holloway Hill. I'll see you there.